Hey YouTube, it's Sean. And we're back on the old lawnmower repair. And I'm putting that 14.5 overhead valve in here. Alright, because the 12 IC flathead, you could hear a little pop 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 through one of the valves. Still runs. And I've had a lot of trouble with the carburetor. So I figured I'm gonna have to take that one apart anyway. And I needed belts on this one. And I'm gonna take you underneath here and show you why we went to this extreme. Just to put a belt in there. Well, you have to lift. Ouch. Hopefully I can show you. Bring in here. Yeah, may not be able to, guys. The belt is right here on this pulley on the rear end. Alright, this is a rear engine tractor, and it rides right up underneath this lip. So you have to pull the engine or the rear end just to get that one belt changed. And the other one isn't too bad, but I figured let's just swap the motor, right? Alright, so because I had to pull the rear end, so the bolts are right up in there. So if I have to pull the rear end to put a belt in it, I figured, let's go ahead and swap the motor out. It's looking good though. Motor is bolted down. Motor is bolted down. All the pulleys are done. All the belts are new and good. We have a whole lot of scrounging to do. And when I get it done, I'm going to go ahead and pressure wash the whole mess. I'm just about ready to lower it down. Yeah, I got the bolt sitting right on the axle, or transaxle. So all I have to do is let this makeshift go, and it should fall down, and the bolts are already lined up. So next time you see me, guys, or next time you hear from me, this thing should be at least together. And then we'll show you what we come up with. Alright. Take care, guys. We'll see you next time. Remember, if you watch, thumbs up. Alright, love y'all. Take care. Bye-bye.